Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you know when we post new videos.
Hi friends, we're going to learn something called solfege before we start the next lessons. And solfege just means that we use a sound in place of the notes of a scale.
Wow!
Have you ever heard someone sing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do? Well, that is solfege. Take a look at the C scale and the sounds of solfege together. Now the C scale are the notes C, D, E, F, G, A, and B, and the solfege sounds are do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti.
Woo!
Now each one of those sounds is gonna be one of the notes in the scale when we sing. Now you can use solfege for other scales, but right now we're gonna use it for the C major scale.
Let's sing!
Are you ready to start singing using solfege? I am so excited. You're an amazing singer,
yes.
And we're gonna learn some more in the next lesson. Here we go. Hi friends, are you ready to start singing using the first 3 sounds in solfege? Now those sounds are do, re, mi. You're gonna listen to what the teacher does and then you're gonna sing the same thing. She's gonna go up with the sound or higher, and she's gonna go down with the sound or lower. You can do it. I want you to have tons of fun. Here we go.
Let's sing!
Do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi, mi, re, do.
Can you do it all by yourself? Let's do it!